covered the Huuk tornado kicks, one of my favorite kicks. We're going to use an application as a counter for this. Now, click down below if you want the full description of the Huuk tornado. So, this is great for mid kicks or high kicks. Not so good for low kicks. However, it still will work. They're basically posting on one foot. So Brittany's going to throw the left kick. I'm going to rotate with it right on the support leg. Here we are. I see the left kick. I'm here. Very devastating because I'm attacking the supporting leg right above the knee, or the knee if I really want to be a dick. There, one more time. Go high. I'm here. Notice how I'm going to stay covered. You're going. I see it. I know you're left here. If I'm actually going to follow through on this, this has devastating consequences. So Brittany's going to demonstrate the technique. I'm going to throw a switch kick, left, mid, or high. So as I go forward, Brittany's turning with me. That's it. And then switching stances. The reason you're switching stances is because when your heel comes across my thigh or my knee, it's going to stop. Hitting with that heel against my thigh or my knee. Since it's on my back leg, my leg has nowhere to go, so it's buckling inward. Very devastating.